So today I am drawing a silhouette of a dog using poster board from the Dollar Tree and a pencil. And this is going to require Jamie. Once I have my pattern cut out, I can then give it to her for her to use her jigsaw and some plywood. We will have a PDF available. Just give us some time on that. So once I got my plywood and my cutout, I started with Wise Owl Black, and I'm using my S50 Klingon brush to paint the entire thing black. I found this tea towel at Christmas Tree Shop. It says, "Pets welcome, people tolerated." I thought it was really cute. But it did not fit on my dog, so I started with the Pets welcome and made it almost look like a t-shirt on the top of the dog. Taking some 1-hour enamel, I'm going to decoupage this portion of the tea towel to the dog. Using the brayer. I'm not going to need saran wrap on this. I'm just trimming up the excess and then covering it with the 1-hour enamel and allowing it to dry. At this point, I did take the opportunity to give the rest of it a top coat with the 1-hour enamel. I am using a Gen foam brush for this. Now, I found this wooden hanger at Dollar General, and I'm going to use that to decoupage the rest of my tea towel, which says people tolerated. And I will be cutting off the hanger on that. Again, I'm using the Wise Owl 1-hour enamel with my Gen foam brush. And then once that's down, I am putting the 1-hour enamel over top and allowing it to dry. So I found this crate. I believe I either got this at Dollar General or at Hobby Lobby, and I painted the entire thing black and then sealed it with Wise Owl salve using my 2-inch palm brush. All this can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. And I'm gluing my sign, "People Tolerated," to one side of the crate using Elmer's glue and a hot glue gun. And then I'm going to glue the dog to the back of the crate, the opposite side, using Elmer's glue. I'm using a glue bot and some hot glue. And then just allowing all that to dry. Once dry, I took a black and white handkerchief and tied it around the neck of the dog in a bow. Well, it's in a knot, but I'm leaving the tails. That's our bow for our dog. And then just to clean up the people's tolerated, it wasn't the straightest line. I just put 2 cords of a thicker jute across the bottom and across the top. Again, guys, we will have a PDF available. Just give us some time to pull that together. I hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkandfancy.com. All paint products, brushes, salve, tissue paper, or transfers, chalkandfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.